Laminate flooring and engineered are two popular types of wood in Ireland. Let's go through the most common differences about laminate and engineered flooring to help make your decision easier. Let's start with laminate wood flooring. Laminate wood flooring is almost entirely synthetic. Its base layer is made of a composite material, typically fiberboard, on top of which is laid a photorealistic image layer which mimics the appearance of hardwood. Laminate wood flooring is finished with a final wear layer of hyper-durable, transparent material. Laminate flooring has a lifespan of 10 to 20 years. Laminate flooring is very difficult to scratch, making it a wise choice for those whose homes are often subjected to wear and tear. Laminate flooring holds up much better than engineered hardwood does to simple spillages. Thanks to its plastic top layer, which is water-resistant, laminate is much easier to keep dry since a simple wipe will mop up any water from the surface before it has time to penetrate through to the base. Laminate is made of synthetic materials which can be cleaned quickly and efficiently with a simple sweep, wipe, and mop. Laminate flooring is far easier to install thanks to the fact that it tends to be lighter and thinner, meaning it's more easily cut to measure, and requires less effort to move into place. On the other hand, engineered wood flooring is made entirely of real wood. It also comprises a composite base layer, except this composite tends to be plywood. Cared for correctly, engineered wood flooring can easily last Irish homeowners for over 30 years. The only downside is that engineered wood floors scratch easily. Engineered flooring tends to warp with humidity. As such, we highly recommend considering tiling your floors in rooms exposed to consistently wet conditions, such as the bathroom or kitchen sink area. Engineered wood flooring requires a little extra work than laminate flooring. Following the obvious hoovering and sweeping, any mopping must be conducted carefully so as not to damage the wood. Engineered wood flooring can be installed DIY, but it's probably advisable to seek the help of a professional installer, which will drive up the overall cost of the installation. When deciding which type of flooring is best for your needs, consider whether you plan to install it yourself, or are willing to pay for professional installation. Decide how important to you the real wood feel is, and ask yourself whether you want something pet and child-friendly that's easy to clean, or whether you're happy to put in a little extra maintenance work. Take a look through our laminate wood options and engineered wood options online, or come and visit our Dublin showrooms to get a feel for them yourself. Here at Tile Merchant, we're always happy to help.